Hello and welcome. Welcome to you, guy, gal, or non-binary beautiful human being on the other side of the screen. Welcome to Beard Basics. Now, who am I and why am I here? My name is Zach, and I have a passion for learning things and sharing those things with you, anyone who wants to listen. I also have a passion for beards. So I thought I'd blend those two things together and start this YouTube channel, Beard Basics. Who is this channel for? This channel is for anyone who just wants to learn about beards. So it'll be especially helpful for those who are growing their beard out maybe for the first time or for the first time in a long while and might want a resource for help along the way, or they've hit a point in their growth where they're starting to maybe need a little bit of help. That's why I'm here. This channel is also for those whose significant other may be growing a beard and maybe you're having a hard time with it, but you want to help them along in their journey. Feel free to learn whatever you want here and pass it along to them, or just send them my way. Stay tuned for product application how-tos, product reviews, ingredient research, DIYs, reviews on brushes and combs and beard straighteners and hair dryers and everything beard related. It's going to be fun. I'm excited to begin this journey with you and to share my knowledge and experience with you along the way. We're going to cover a lot of information and we're going to have fun doing it. So be sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.